Meaning of heavy industry.
Heavy industry.
Heavy industry.
Heavy industry.
Heavy industry. Heavy industry refers to the sector of economic activity concerned with the production and manufacture of large-scale machinery, equipment, and industrial goods. This includes sectors such as construction, oil and gas refining, shipbuilding, steel and cement production, and mining. Heavy industries typically involve the processing of large quantities of raw materials and the consistent demand for significant amounts of energy. The output of heavy industry is often used as input in other industries, making it a critical component of many economies. The growth and development of heavy industry can be seen as a major driver of industrialization and modernization.